Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to disable Tap to Siri on macOS Sequoia or later. The latest versions of macOS make it easier than ever to use Tap to Siri, but many Mac users are finding themselves accidentally triggering the Tap to Siri feature on their Mac running the latest macOS Sequoia releases. This can be rather frustrating, and if you don't use Siri or Tap to Siri, you might not want this feature to activate at all. So, as a Mac user, you might be wondering how to disable Tap to Siri and prevent it from activating unintentionally. Curiously, macOS Sequoia does not have a settings toggle available to directly turn off Tap to Siri on the Mac. That doesn't mean you can't disable the feature though. With that said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Alternatively, you can click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. After that, you have to select Apple Intelligence and Siri option. And then you have to disable the toggle right next to Siri, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that it will disable Tap to Siri on the Mac as well as Siri in general. You will notice that there is not a direct toggle for simply disabling the Tap to Siri feature in macOS Sequoia while keeping Siri enabled broadly, which seems like a strange oversight, so perhaps that it will arrive in a future macOS version. The other option for disabling Tap to Siri on Mac is to just change the keyboard shortcut to activate the feature to something obscure that you will not accidentally trigger. If you want to keep Siri enabled in general but not use Tap to Siri, this is the best approach currently in macOS Sequoia. Note that this does not actually disable the feature entirely, since that is not directly possible at the moment, but it does make it so that you won't trigger the feature. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the System Settings app on your device, and then you have to choose the Apple Intelligence and Siri option. And then you have to click on the menu next to keyboard shortcut and choose the Customize option. And then you have to enter in the most obscure keyboard shortcut combination you can think of, using as many modify keys as possible. Note that the more complex the shortcut is, the less likely it will be accidentally triggered on your Mac. This approach works because a complex keyboard shortcut is harder to unintentionally activate, unlike the default setting of pressing the command key twice, or globe S, both of which are very easy to activate accidentally. It is likely that a future software version of macOS will bring a direct settings toggle to disable the Tap to Siri feature on Mac while still allowing for broader Siri functionality, just like it used to have. But until that happens, use either of the above tricks to turn off the feature on your macOS device, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.